Hi, my name is Evelyne Kelly, and today I'll be showing you how to make a really easy 5-ingredient pecan praline. These are a New Orleans classic. They're a soft, buttery, rich candy made from pecans, sugar, and butter. These are a delicious southern treat perfect for serving at Mardi Gras. Now we're going to start the mise en place for the pecan pralines. Mise en place means to put in place, so you're just getting all your ingredients prepped and ready to be used. So I have all my ingredients mise en place. I have half a cup of light cream, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1.5 cups of pecans halved. Make sure they're halved. Okay, so your first step is to combine both of your sugars in your pot. You need 2-quart heavy bottom pot, and you're going to combine the sugars and you're going to add in your light cream and mix it around, and you're going to cook it until it forms a thick paste. Make sure to bring it to a boil and get it to the right consistency. So what you're looking for in your mixture is for it to turn into a thick syrup, and you want it to boil so that the sugar dissolves and there's no granulated pieces in the syrup. And you want it to look like this color, like a caramel. And once the sugar's dissolved, you can add in your pecans and butter. So I'm going to pour in my pecans, and I'm going to pour in my butter. I'm going to mix it and cook it over medium-high heat. And then you're going to put it on a heat-proof surface and let it rest for 10 minutes. I chose this recipe from New Orleans because New Orleans is my parents' one of their favorite places to go. They always bring back masks and all types of food like pralines and hot sauce, and we always look forward to getting those gifts. They told me about the excellent restaurants and the culture and the diversity, and we were all really interested in that, and we thought it was a really cool place to be. And since it's the time of year that the Mardi Gras is occurring, I decided to make the pralines, so it's perfect. So our last step, we're scooping out the praline mixture onto a parchment-lined sheet tray, and we're just putting out tablespoon amounts into each row, and you have to make sure that they're spaced out nicely so that they're not going to collide into each other. So this is our final product. I hope you find this recipe easy and helpful. And yeah, it's a New Orleans classic, and I hope you enjoy.